Hi, my name's Tammy with Activa, and today we're going to talk about how to test your sub pump. A sub pump is a pump used to remove water that has accumulated in an underground basin, commonly found in the basements of homes. Sub pumps are used where basement flooding happens regularly and to solve dampness where the water table is above the foundation of a home. It is recommended to test the sub pump every 6 months. Unplug the flotation plug from the wall. Separate the direct pump plug from the flotation plug. Insert the direct pump plug directly into the receptacle. You should hear the motor kick on. Note: the pump may or may not contain water. You are listening for motor activation for the purpose of this test. Return the mechanism to the flotation setting. You can also test the sub pump by simply removing the cap that is on the sub pump and pour water directly into the sub pump. A question commonly asked by insurance companies: is there a battery backup? Activa does not install this, but you can go to your local hardware store and purchase one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our website for more videos.